Let's create fluid simulation in Blender. We will be using the default fluid system in Blender for this. Let's create our container to hold the fluid. Add a solidify modifier and apply scale. Next, give it a bevel. Add a UV sphere to act as our fluid source. Next, click on Object, Quick Effects, Quick Liquid. This sets up our fluid sim. Select the domain box, enter into edit mode and scale it such that our container and fluid source is inside the domain. Leave resolution at 32 for now so we test out our simulation. Make sure mesh is checked. I will be setting end frame to 100. Set type to all. For the fluid source, set fluid behavior to inflow for continuous flow of the fluid. Select the container and give it a fluid property. Set type to effector. Since our fluid will be entering the container, enable is planar. Now let's bake our sim. Works fine. Now let's reset and increase the resolution. This also increases the fluid amount. Before that, let's change direction of the flow of the fluid. Set initial velocity on the x-axis to -5. Let's bake. While waiting, if you find this tutorial help, you can also check out this My tutorial on how to create this satisfying cosmetic smear simulation in Blender. Link in description. Baking complete. Now let's play our simulation. Looks great. Let's add a backdrop and move to adding materials. Let's switch to cycles and add an area light to see results. Thanks for watching. Kindly leave a like and subscribe for more.